I enjoyed the last two Meike hand grips that I received. This one, for example, now living on my X-T2. So Meike wrote to me asking me if I'd like to take a look at the hand grip that they've just put out for the X-E3. So we're going to go inside and take a nice close-up look at this thing, whack it on an X-E3 body, and frankly, that's it. See if it's any cop. As with the other two, exactly the same sort of box, not particularly relevant. Let's just crack it open so we can take a look at what's inside. Now, that's it. What else do you want? Packaged exactly as you need. Let's just put it on and see how it goes. The X-E3 is Fujifilm's smallest viewfinder equipped body on the market at the moment. So, you know, you're not going to get a huge grip with it as standard, but rangefinder style, you might be happy with that. I mean, it's got that nice little notch on the back there and a little bit on the front. But let's see what happens when we attach the Meike grip. There it is on the body. Actually, I think that's quite a natty looking thing there. It looks nice. I'm actually dead impressed. And as you'd hope, you do get a nice chunk of a grip on the corner there, but you don't lose too much of the small nature of the body itself. That is actually really quite nice. If you look right here, we can access the battery and the memory card with no problem at all. We've got a 1/4 inch screw thread there. I believe that's the speaker. That's not blocked at all. On the front, looks the treat. Lines work real nice. On this side, nothing's blocked at all. And the same here, but you get that nice chunk of a grip. I had a comment on a recent video that I think they were talking about the T2 one, I can't remember now, the T2 or the T21, but it looks like all of them, they don't have a rubber texture here. I didn't find that a problem because the texture that's sort of molded into that worked fine for me. But you know, you might want to look at maybe an alternative if you really need that texture. But for me, it grips on well, you know, it's nice. For about, I think this is about 20, 30 pounds. I don't think that's a big deal really. It looks the part. The Arca Swiss plate is easy, switch on and off, which is what I've been doing with my T2 and my T20. Absolutely fantastic. What more do we need to say about it? Take a look at that. As far as third-party grips go, I think this is fantastic. I think it's a nice little number. And if I owned this X-E3, now that I've used them on the T20 and the T2, I think I'd get this grip, you know. I mean, I wasn't one for grips in the past, but this last 3-6 months or so, I've got into it. I've appreciated that little bit extra there. Maybe I'm getting old, who knows? Well, I know I'm getting old. Anyway, I think that's a really cool looking thing right there. I even like it with the silver. Although I'm a fan of all black cameras, that one looks decent. Let us know what you think about these grips. We've had some very positive responses so far. We've had 1 or 2, let's say negatives, you know, personal preferences. And that's what this is. We're looking at this gear with an open mind, personal preference stuff. And yeah, I think you appreciate what we're looking at, but let us know if you've spotted something else out there. There's a few of these sort of the L plate stuff that might be worth looking at. Those brackets could be pretty cool, but for my purposes, you know, this is decent and yeah, real good. Once again, big thanks to Adele at Calumet in Birmingham for letting us use this X-E3 body. Definitely go in and check out their stuff now. They've got a real cool section for second-hand gear now, including bags, as well as all the other cool stuff that they have in that shop. So go and check them out, look online and see how you get on. Don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment below. Take it easy.